Greetings YouTube, we're going to continue now. We have the Topps 2011 Baseball Blaster Update Series. This comes with one of those, commemorative throwback patch cards. And also, since this is retail, it comes with the 2 packs of the exclusive blue border parallels. So, hopefully we get something nice. 2011. Sealed very well. Okay, we have one throwback patch. And then we have a whole bunch of packs here. The Jeter, Bujos, and Ichiro. So, since I collect a whole bunch of teams, so this is the blue one actually, right here. First one is blue. There's a rookie, Sands, Jerry Sands, Cubby. And we got a nice little mini here. Joe Morgan. Oldie but a goodie. And then we have an All-Star Game, Cudyer. Another All-Star Game, Jose Bautista. Paul Luminez. This one probably is going to be the other blue one. Yep. Get something good. Oh, we did. We got something good. I see something. Oh, Cubby rookie. LeMahieu. And look at that. Brzezinski here. This is from the when they played against the Sox. And looky here. Got some. Oh, look at this. Nice diamond card. Connor Jackson, outfield. Yeah. And then right behind it, another one. Fausto Carmona. I don't know if you could see that. Neither of these appear to be numbered. Too bad none of these are my... I collect 4 baseball teams and I couldn't get... And I also collected Ichiro and I couldn't get... But still, hopefully get some good trade for those. There's also some of these blue ones, if anybody wants the All-Star cards. So, it looks looking good for this box so far. And I didn't even open up the patch. The mini sliding out. Oh, Gary Carter. I thought he looked familiar. Too bad he's not in his Mets uni. But I'll still probably hold on to it for my PC. Oh, look at this. Fukidomi. Kazuki Fukidomi in his short stint with Cleveland. I'll keep this one too for my PC. Is he still on the White Sox? I don't know. Let's see. Nice Mets. Oh, we got another. Oh, we got 2 more nice ones coming up. Look at this. Look at this, people. Justin Upton All-Star. And then, oh, Kurt Suzuki, the other Suzuki. Neither appear to be numbered. Nice, nice, nice. All-Star Robertson. Put this in my PC pile. This is the update series, so it does have all those All-Star Game cards, just in case you were wondering if you're looking for those. Here's a rookie. Here's another rookie. And I see something coming up. Carlos Pena. Ozzie Smith. Prince Fielder, nice picture there. Anybody know if he shaved yet? Haven't been paying attention. I remember they had some kind of talking about that before. I don't remember what that was about. Nice. Coleman, there's some kind of insert coming up. Duos, diamond duos. Jared Weaver, All-Star, got the rare, a few more packs still. I'm liking this one already. This one already has some nice inserts. Here's another Prince Fielder, All-Star. Diamond giveaway. Here's another mini. Tom Seaver. I'm going to keep this one even though it's not in his Cubby uniform. Cincinnati. Sort of looks like a Cubby one, or it's a red Cubby version parallel. That was given out on Valentine's Day. Or excuse me, Mets. He was on the Mets, not the Cubs, see. Rookie. Some hit insert coming up. Then we got Adrian Gonzalez, All-Star Game. Only one in that pack, wasn't it? And here's a rookie. Might suck. Mitch, oh, we got a hit in, or another insert, sorry. Oh, Prince Fielder. I pulled this card already, but I don't think. Then here we have Christy Masterson. Wow, that's a nice one. From the New York Giants, so hold on to that. Carlos Quentin, All-Star. And then the last regular pack. Oh, we got another Diamonds and see it already. Oh, we got two inserts coming up. I see two different ones. Here we have. Oh no, these are one of these. Not too special. The Topstown card. Brennan Bo Sheffield Tigers. And none of these are my PC, unfortunately. What are the odds I collect all those teams? And None of them are my PC people. And before we go, before I forget, let's see if this is going to be a PC. And no, Texas Rangers. Oh, there's Nolan Ryan, though. He is in my PC, so I might hold on to this. They do love Texas, so we go down there shortly again, at least 2 more times this year. 2 different cities, though, but we'll be heading down that way. So Nolan Ryan's not in this Mets uni, but good enough, I guess, to keep for a keeper. There you go. Hope you liked. If anybody wants to trade for any of the hits, these gold diamonds are regular. Let me know. I don't know if you could see those on here. Sweet looking cards.